Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I have an interesting topic to discuss in this video. We will be discussing about PwC India and PwC SDC, which stands for Service Delivery Center, and the difference which is existing in between both the entities. As we all know that PwC is having a big name in the market, but do you know exactly how PwC is operating within the country and outside the country at a global level? So we will be discussing every difference in between both the entities, like flexibility of time of working hours, what are the benefits which are being offered in both the entities, which are the key differences in both the entities. Without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. First, just quickly recap what PwC is. PwC stands for PricewaterhouseCoopers, which provides auditing, tax, IT consulting, and assurance services to the clients in India as well as at global level. As we all know that it comes under top big four companies in India in consulting field, but you know that it operates in different capacities. Now let's have a quick introduction of PwC SDC. So SDC stands for Service Delivery Center, which provides services to the client which are at global level and the servers which are in India. Did you know that there are 25 service delivery centers across the globe for PwC, which incurs approximately 40,000 employees? These centers leverage the technology, process the optimization for delivering the consistent services to the client. On the flip side, PwC India basically focuses on consulting, auditing, and assurance services to the clients which are existing in India's business environment. The approach of PwC India is influenced by the local market. Some of the key differences which I got to know in PwC India and PwC SDC is its objective. SDC basically focuses on the operational efficiency and scalable solutions, while PwC India is known for providing the customized solutions for its clients according to the local market. SDC are having more distant processing focused relationship with the client, and PwC India emphasizes personal client engagement. Now, few points which we will be considering in defining the difference between both the entities. Then we will be talking about self shift allowance. We will be talking about flexibility of working. We will be talking about salaries, and we will be talking about what are the works you are being given in both the entities. So, starting with the flexibility, you get flexibility of working in PwC SDC, as you will be working according to the US timings, and all the works you will be getting, it will be remote only. You need to go to office for business meetings only, and all the works other than that in PwC SDC are remote. Whereas in PwC India, you need to go to office. They basically follow hybrid mode, but at least 2 days or 3 days in a week, you need to go to office, or more than that also, according to the requirements of the client or the engagement requirement, whichever is requiring more time to sit there with the client and conduct the business walkthroughs and meetings, then you need to go to office in PwC India, and in PwC SDC the whole work is remote. Now comes the shift allowance. In PwC India, you need to work 9 to 5 according to Indian timings, Indian working hours, and in PwC SDC you work according to US timings. So if you are working more than the timings which are defined already, then you will be getting shift allowance in PwC SDC. But if you are working more than the working hours, like 9 to 5 in PwC India, you won't be getting any shift allowance or any other benefits for working more than the working hours. Talking about the salary in both the entities are as per market standards. Both the entities provides the salaries in accordance to the capabilities, in accordance to the skills the employees are having. In salary, I don't see a much difference, but the perks which are being given in PwC SDC compiles up with the salary, so making it more preferable for many of the employees for work. Now talking about the work you will be getting in both the entities, the clients you will be getting in PwC India basically will be in uh, India only. There might be some of the clients which are operating at a global level, but their backup servers will be in India, so it will be handled by PwC India only. Whereas in PwC SDC, you will be getting the global level clients. You will be handling the clients which are at international level, and you will be conducting the meetings and you will be conducting the walkthroughs with the help of Google Meetings or Teams. So you won't be meeting the clients, but the work which are being given are handled very carefully in PwC SDC as well as in PwC India also. So these were the major differences in PwC India and PwC SDC. I work under an entity under PwC India named as Pricewaterhouse Chartered Accountant LLP. So there are many entities under PwC India also. So you can get the difference in between both all the entities under the name, and this video was all about the differences between PwC India as a whole and PwC SDC. The preferred entity for majority of the employees are PwC SDC because they are getting more remote workings and more flexibility in timings. But in PwC India also you will get the work in accordance to the knowledge you are having, and in accordance to the work you have been doing, like as you grow in the firm. So both the entities are good at their own level, but preferred entity for majority of the employees who are working in PwC is PwC SDC, no doubt, because of the benefits they are getting. This was all about my experience and my research which I have been doing for this video. So your experience or your thinking might be different from me, and it can be something which can be helpful for me. So all the suggestions or all the clarifications which you are having in PwC India or PwC SDC, please comment it down below. With this, I'll be ending this video. Thank you so much for watching.